Hi, I'm Marta from AskCody. We make visitor and meeting management software and other productivity tools. Our Wayfinder is one of those tools. Wayfinder helps visitors find resources like their place to park, meeting rooms, or hot desk. The interactive map can be displayed on the screen like this, on a laptop or on your phone. We can even customize the screen with your logo. Let's pretend that I am a guest finding a meeting room which is on the 8th floor. As you can see, I can quickly get an overview of the building and which meeting rooms are available. In this case, I would like to find a way to the meeting room called Aloha for our marketing monthly kickoff. So, I press meeting rooms, which displays list of all meeting rooms in the building. Then I find Aloha. Now the Wayfinder is showing the route to the meeting room called Aloha. Let's imagine that if you are not able to use the staircase. In this case, you can press this button and activate accessibility mode. Now the Wayfinder is pointing me the nearest elevator.